Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to return an item to Amazon. Let's start by going to the Amazon website or opening the app. From there, navigate to your orders and locate the item you want to return. First, you will need to select the reason for returning the item. Amazon will present you with a list of options. You can choose from reasons such as the item being damaged, not needed, or not as described. Next, you'll be asked if the item is in its original packaging. Indicate yes or no depending on your situation. Once you've confirmed your selections, click Continue. Next, you'll choose how you want the return processed. You can exchange the item, request a refund to your Amazon balance, replace it with the same item, or refund the amount to the original payment method. I recommend refunding it to the payment method you used for the purchase, as this is often the most straightforward option. After making your choice, click Continue. Now, you'll select where to drop off the return. Amazon usually provides several options. Common choices include Whole Foods, Amazon drop-off locations, UPS stores, or Kohl's. You might also see other options depending on your location, such as local drop-off points or shipping directly. Some return methods, like shipping, may require you to pay a fee, but most options are free. Amazon will indicate whether your return requires a box or label. Many items, especially those fulfilled by Amazon, can be returned without packaging. Simply bring the item to the location and they'll handle it for you. However, if your item is from a third-party seller, you may need to package it yourself. Once you confirm your return, Amazon will provide you with a QR code. This code will be available in your account under the return details and will also be sent to your email. It will specify the return location and any packaging requirements. For example, it might say no box, no label or customer packaged. Be sure to follow these instructions closely. When you're ready, take the item and the QR code to the drop-off location. At the UPS store, for instance, you can simply say, "I have an Amazon return." They will scan your code, take the item, and complete the return process. You'll typically receive a confirmation email from Amazon within an hour or two stating that your refund has been processed. It's a very quick and easy system, and that's it. Thank you for watching.